isn't, I believe, 2000. Boom. Boom. 2 figures. Probably want to see one of the thumbnail. Questioning why. I'm only doing one of these for the unboxing right now. And of course it is my Lucky Star figure, Sasuke. You'll get your own episode, maybe a little later. But not now. Whew. Lucky Star, Konata, Shimakaze, Cosplay. I think it's called the Konata Shimakaze. It's called Sega Lucky Star Konata Shimakaze Cosplay. So yeah, we're just gonna be opening this, man. Oh my god, this is so cool. Sega, by the way, made by Sega, of course. It's actually my first Sega figure. I'm fairly new to collecting, so yeah. I actually started this year. If you guys want to see my collection, make sure to like this video. Ooh, damn. Oh my god, there. I'm really trying not to cut myself. There, okay, so, boom. Oh, wrong way, okay. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, very nice. Okay. Awesome. Put the box to the side. Definitely keeping that box. I mean, I keep all my boxes, but it's gonna be my favorite one. Okay, so here she is. Oh my god, she's so cool. Wow. Oh my god. Please tell me I did not break it. Okay, I don't think I did. Here, I could just do this with my hand, honestly. It's honestly a cheap base, but I honestly love it. I heard a review. They said it felt cheap and stuff. I honestly think it's pretty nice. Feels really nice. It looks amazing. And it does the job. You know, when people make figures, they don't even have to customize it. So, and a lot of them don't. Like a lot of Crane King figures, because the majority of my collection is Crane King, because I love their figures. And obviously all their like Shonen Jump figures, because if you guys know me, I'm a bit of a Shonen tard. Okay, wait. Yeah, a lot of you might think this was fake, because I did a fake Midoriya one the other day. If you guys actually want to see a review of that figure or whatever though, because I already have it before I got the box, make sure to comment down below, because I'm sorry I clickbaited you guys. I didn't think really anyone would watch it anyways. So yeah. Ooh, okay. Ooh, there you go. Almost fell. Okay, so this is actually really nice. Oh my god. You can see the strands. Wait, focus. Okay, it won't focus for me. I hate you. Oh yeah, this is what I'm using to hold up my camera right now. This is very ghetto. But yeah, it's the best we can do right now. Okay, so here we have the figure. This is honestly such a cool figure, like, really. Wait, let me move this back a bit. So, it's pretty easy, honestly. Like, this is very easy. Like, there you go. No assembly required. Oh my god, this might be my favorite figure. This is my favorite figure. No doubt. And I guess I might do a review of this, but I'm way too excited. I'm probably gonna unbox it today. Sorry guys. But this figure, right? It was like $40. It is a prize figure, but yeah. Or Chama. Wait, was it made by Chama or? Sorry guys, I'm really new to this. I barely know anything. Okay, so wait, let's just put it in. Okay, so obviously, the character is Konata from Lucky Star, the anime. Came out in 2007. And she's cosplaying as Shimakaze, which is from, dude, I forgot what it was called. Koan or something? Yeah, but it's honestly such a sick figure. Oh, wait, this moves? Whoa. Oh, so you could have it like balanced out, or you could have it like that. I like it like that. I said I like it like that. So let's check out this figure, because this video is kind of long. Okay, so as you can see, not really, but because it's not focusing well. But very awesome figure. Now I'm probably gonna play some nice music in a second while I just like get some shots on this. I will be right back, and then after I'll give my first thoughts and stuff and my final review. If you should buy it, 10 out of 10, whatever, or number out of 10. Okay, I'll be right back. My final review. Should you buy this figure? If it's for a good price, definitely. Honestly, I'm probably going to give it, this might be too nice, but a 9.5 out of 10. It is really cool, but honestly, I do wish that these were clear. For the stand, I wish they were clear so it would look like it's actually like jumping up. But that's my only thing wrong with her. So yeah, should you buy this for the right price? Yes. Not over $50. I paid $40. Obviously, it's a very nice figure. Okay, so last shots. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. And thank you for 200. Oh my god, I forgot. Thank you for 230 subs. That's why I made this video. And yeah, like and subscribe, I guess. Megabeat 2000 out. That was a bad peace sign. It was like, okay, out.